I got summer on my mind, nowhere else, no Lord, take me downtown.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? While there's no guaranteed path to riches, today I'm sharing 7 practical tips to help you build wealth and work toward that $1 million goal. These strategies are grounded in smart financial habits, discipline, and a growth mindset. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. First, you need a roadmap. Setting clear, specific financial goals is the foundation of wealth building. Ask yourself, what does being a millionaire mean to you? Is it $1 million in the bank, in investments, or in total net worth? Break it down into smaller milestones, like saving $10,000, then $50,000 and beyond. Write these goals down and review them monthly. Clarity keeps you focused. Pro tip, use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to track your progress. Millionaires don't stumble into wealth, they plan for it. Tip 2, live below your means. Here's a secret. Millionaires often don't live like millionaires. To build wealth, spend less than you earn. Cut unnecessary expenses. Think subscriptions, impulse buys, or dining out too often. Create a budget and stick to it. For example, if you make $5,000 a month, aim to live on $4,000 and save or invest the rest. This isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritizing your future. Look at your spending today. Where can you trim? That extra cash could grow into millions over time. Tip 3, invest early and consistently. Investing is your wealth building engine. Start early to harness the power of compound interest. For instance, if you invest $500 a month at an average 7% annual return, in 30 years, you could have over $600,000. Stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, or real estate, choose options that match your risk tolerance. Not sure where to start? Consider low-cost index funds. They're beginner-friendly and diversify your risk. Always do your research or consult a financial advisor. The key? Consistency. Invest regularly, even if it's small amounts. Tip 4, increase your income streams. Relying on one paycheck limits your potential. Millionaires often have multiple income streams. Think side hustles, freelance gigs, rental properties, or online businesses. Could you start a blog, sell a skill like graphic design, or rent out a spare room? In 2025, the gig economy is booming. Platforms like Upwork or Etsy make it easier than ever. Pick something you're passionate about and test it out. More income means more to save and invest. What's one skill you could monetize today? Tip 5, educate yourself constantly. Knowledge is power. Millionaires never stop learning. Read books like The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Follow finance podcasts, take online courses, or attend workshops. Stay updated on market trends, tax laws, and investment strategies. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Dedicate 30 minutes a day to learning. By 2025, that's over 180 hours of wisdom in a year. What's one resource you'll check out this week? Tip 6, avoid bad debt. Not all debt is equal. Good debt, like a mortgage, can build wealth if managed well. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains it. If you've got credit card balances charging 20% interest, pay them off fast. Avoid borrowing for luxury items or depreciating assets like fancy cars. Millionaires use debt strategically, not impulsively. Check your debt today. What's the interest rate? If it's over 10%, make a plan to tackle it. Freedom from bad debt puts you closer to that million. Tip 7, surround yourself with success. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with ambitious, positive people who inspire you. Join networking groups, attend finance seminars, or find a mentor who's where you want to be. Their habits and mindset will rub off on you. Online communities count too. Follow wealth builders on YouTube or social media. Who in your circle lifts you up? Seek them out and learn from their success. Here's your bonus. Building wealth takes time. There's no overnight million-dollar ticket. Stay patient and stick to your plan. Celebrate small wins, saving your first $1,000, making your first investment. Discipline turns these tips into results. Track your net worth yearly and adjust as needed. You've got this. Millionaires aren't born, they're made through consistent effort. There you have it, 7 tips to set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Recap: set goals, live below your means, invest early, diversify income, keep learning, avoid bad debt, and surround yourself with success. Plus, stay patient and disciplined. Which tip will you start with? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone chasing their own million. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.